Not sure which plan fits your prep journey? Let's make it simple. Monthly plan, £19.99 per month. Flexible, commitment-free, and perfect for ongoing, flexible month-by-month preparation. Great for exploring the platform or boosting progress when time is tight. Annual plan, £99.99 per year, save over £140. One payment. Full access, 12 months of stress-free study. Stay covered for the entire academic year, including end-of-year tests and independent school entrance exams. Both plans include unlimited practice across all subjects, real-time analytics and progress tracking, instant creative writing feedback, access to 800-plus tests and 40,000-plus questions. Whichever plan you choose, your child builds confidence, consistency, stays focused and ahead. Not sure yet? Take a sample test. See the difference for yourself. Pick a plan, power up their progress, start strong, stay ahead.